Next interesting features in this release is we can have the Onchange function in a field, right, on a class by defining the Onchange field attributes in the class diagram. Now, when we set this Onchange field and add some field, then the generator will generate the API Onchange on that field right above the function definition for that field Onchange event. Okay, so let's go to the diagram, the common diagram. I've prepared one sample here. So we define the what we call the operation. We define it under the operation here, add operation, and then the operation name is basically like this, right? And basically like this, without any additional token like this. So this is the normal operation in the StarUML diagram, but we change it to something like this. It means that this function on change level will be prefixed above it with some kind of on change level, on change API on change, which depends on the level ID field, which is this one. All right, and then we can also define the logics for the function right here under the specification. So the function definition or function logic is something like this. For record itself, then record name equal to record level ID dot name, which is the name of this level. Right. So when we generate this one, okay, as usual, you have to delete this one. Okay, regenerate, and then we check the resulting code. So we go to the model and class, right? Okay. Right, and then we will have the Onchange function, Onchange level, which is this operation name, but line above is added with the API Onchange on level ID field, this one, which means this one, and the content of this function is this one, according to what we define in the specification of this operation method, right? So when we run this add-on, we go to the class menu, and then let's say we create a new record for this object, and then first we select the company and then select the level, right? The Onchange is executed here according to the level that we selected, right? So here we don't type any code to define this logic right now, and just define something in the diagram. It's quite cool. Okay, that is the next features that we have now.